Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ang akin pong high school at college seminary sa Bulacan ay nasa isang compound lamang. And literally, we just have to walk a few meters just to reach the other building. And for 8 years, I was there for my formation. The catch is that the theology building, where the final 5 years of seminary formation is also within the compound. And again, just a few steps from the other buildings. Very familiar na po ako sa lugar, sa mga tao, sa proseso, etc., etc. In other words, the seminary in my hometown became my comfort zone already. But then my former parish priest asked me to also consider pursuing my theological studies in San Jose Seminary in Ateneo. More people, diverse cultures, and different environment. He also graduated there and told me that I would be better there at mas okay ako doon. But then in my mind, I told myself, how? And just the very thought of transferring seminary makes me even more anxious. Unang-una po, sanay lang ako sa Bulacan. Doon lang ako nagko-commute. Sanay lang ako sa jeep at tricycle. Wala akong alam sa Maynila noon. Pangalawa, lahat daw ng pinadadala sa San Jose Seminary mahuhusay at matatalino. Baka hindi ako makasabay sa kanila. At pangatlo, Ateneo de Manila yun. Siyempre, mahal ang bayad. Hindi kaya ng aking pamilya na suportahan ako doon. Plus, English ang mga tao doon with Araneo accent, yung mga nando na estudyante. Hindi ko yata kakayanin. That seminary is just really far from my expectations. At natatakot ako dahil everything's unknown, difficult, and different. Again, it was away from my comfort zone. But the rest was history. Dear friends, today is the solemnity of the Nativity of Saint John the Baptist. We know that Zechariah and Elizabeth went against the tradition of naming their child. Sa mga Hudyo po kasi, dapat ang pangalan mo sa anak mo ay either pangalan ng tatay o kahit sinong pangalan na nasa family tree na. Sa lahi po ni Zacarias at ni Elizabeth, wala pong Juan. But the messenger of God told them that John will be the name. Ibig sabihin po nito, God is gracious. Ang Diyos ay mapagpala. You know, traditions are very important during their time because they were conquered by the Romans. Kaya naman para sa kanila, kailangan po mai-preserve nila yung traditions na kanilang pamilya at religion para hindi sila masway ng mga Romans. Now, since they named their child a different one, they can be called a traitor or infidels because they went against culture and tradition, away from the usual and ordinary. Pwede silang i-outcast, i-isolate, o ma-reject. Pero, heto silang mag-asawa, nanindigan sa kanilang paniniwala, pinaglaban ang laman ng kanilang mga puso, at mas nanaig ang nais ng Diyos kesa sa nais ng tao. You know, dear brothers and sisters, stepping out of one's comfort zone and going against tradition is always a very difficult experience. Mapapaisip ka na lang pagkatapos na, bakit ko ba ginawa ito? Tama ba to? Okay naman na ako dati eh. Patangay na lang tayo sa agos. And like Zechariah and Elizabeth, they may go against the tradition and away from their comfort zones, but they know in their hearts that they have followed the Lord. And that's what matters most. Opo, nakakatakot yun. Nakakakaba. But you see, only in stepping out of one's comfort zones can one enter his or her growth zone. Sa atin pong pagtawid, doon natin nakikita na may mas magandang kinabukasan pala doon sa kabila. Sa ating paglalayag sa dagat ng buhay, doon tayo mas nagiging matatag, malalim, at matibay sa mga pagsubok. At sa atin pong pag-alis, sa ating mga comfort zones, doon lang natin nalalaman na, kaya naman pala natin. Okay naman pala. Hindi naman pala ako pababayaan ng Diyos. Kasama ko siya at kailangan ko lang magtiwala. At dito po nakakahanga sina Zacarias at Elizabeth. Kasi kahit na may pressure sa kanilang paligid, hindi sila nagpatinag. Kahit na comfort ang sinasabi ng mundo, mas sumunod po sila sa nais ng Diyos. At kahit na iba ang tradisyon ng lipunan, mas pinili po nilang lumabas at gawin ang kagustuhan ng Diyos. You know, dear brothers and sisters, before I left for San Jose Seminary, akala ko okay na ako doon sa dati. Masaya na ako doon sa aking comfort zone eh. Marami na akong kaibigan doon. Nasanay na ako, magiging successful na ako doon. But only to find out that there is so much to life and opportunities out there. Yes, nakakatakot sa umpisa, tulad ng naramdaman ng mga alagad ni Jesus. Pero sabi nga niya, bakit kayo natatakot? Sabi niya kay Zacarias, why are you afraid? Hindi ka pa ba nagtitiwala sa akin? And so whatever you are praying for right now, go for it. Step out of that comfort zone and never forget to trust the Lord like Zechariah and Elizabeth. Amen.